Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in the video this time is a video for my semester 1 exam. We will talk about application IT for student. But before that, this is about me. This is the title of my material this time, an application for IT student, software used by IT student. Here I choose the Figma application. What is Figma? Figma is software, applications, or tools that can be used in designing an application. Figma works for those of you who are deep into the UI or UX field. Figma itself was founded in 2012 and this tool is cloud-based. So, Figma is a design tool in the form of a website, that can be used anytime and anywhere via the internet. If you are looking for tools for application design and want to work with your team, you can use Figma. Figma can be used on your desktop based on Windows or Mac OS. Figma focuses on design features related to UI and UX, commonly called user interface and user experience. That is, Figma focus on the design of the appearance of the application and the user experience in the design application. Then what is Figma and its features, function, and how to use it? Check out the explanations. Next, this is a key features of Figma. There are three key features of Figma: design, prototyping, and system design. The first of key features of Figma is design. The design features on Figma are built to make it easier for you to design the appearance of a web or applications. Some design features that you may not find in other UI or UX design software. Therein is one modern pen tool, modern style pen tool that allows you to use it in a new style without having to connect the design to the starting point. And number two is OpenType. You can customize the use of fonts on the application or web. And number three is auto layout. Auto layout make it easier for you to create layout automatically. And number four is additional plugins and widgets. This feature is used to support your design needs. In this feature, there are icons, charts, diagram, and others. The second of key features of Figma is prototyping. This feature allows users to see the design prototype that has been made. Some of the advantages in it, including one of interaction. You can set or customize the style on the interaction buttons, subtly or gradually. And number two is mobile viewing, allows you to try prototypes using cell phone for iOS and Android. Number three is dynamic overlays. Create multiple overlay layers on the interactive content. And number four is animated GIFs. You can use animated GIF for video elements, moving designer, and animations. Next, the last of key features of Figma is design system. So in design system, these features make it easier for user in accessibility and other supporting elements. Figma offers library features and assets that can be searched quickly. This makes it easier for designers to work together. Some of the advantages are: number one is everything in one place. You can save documents or files for design in Figma, allowing your teams or others to not have to search with difficulty anymore. Number two is copy, code, and go. This feature allows you to design quickly by copying and pasting code. And number three is searchable asset. Search quickly and allow you to use content in a drag and drop way. Next, This is a Figma function. So the Figma so the function of Figma itself is the creations of a web or application interface. For those of you UI or UX designers, it is very easy with Figma. Plus, you can do it as a team or together. If a big picture of the Figma function is created, it includes one UI and UX of apps and websites. Number two is prototype, and number three is design mockup. Well, those are the three main functions of the Figma functions. Figma realized that creating UI and UX design can now be done together. Next, this is how to use Figma. So here, I try to summarize how to use Figma. The steps include number one, go to the figma.com page. Number two, register with email or Google account. Number three, whether you are redirected to the dashboard page. Number four, choose a starter plan, personal or professional use. Number five, add a page to a worksheet. Number six, after that you can use the available templates. Number seven, learn about the features or you can install the plugin. And number eight, next you can do prototyping. And finally, you can export your work in various formats such as JPG, PNG, PDF, and CFG. Next. Okay, so that's my explanations about Figma. If there is an error, I apologize and I say thank you. See you, San. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.